my skin with your name. Take my passport out again, just replace it. See, I could do without a tan on my left hand, where my fourth finger meets my knuckle. And I should run you a hot bath, fill it up with bubbles. Cause maybe you're lovable, and maybe you're my snowflake, and your eyes turn from green to grey in the winter. I'll hold you in a cold place.